Hello everyone. Today we will do exercise solution of unit 2. The first question. Choose the right word and fill in the blanks. Okay? Means from the given option we have to fill the blanks. The tail fins help the fish to change the dash. The tail fins help the fish to change the direction. Mammals use dash legs. Mammals use 4 legs. Fish have dash to breathe. Fish have gills to breathe. A camel has dash feet. A camel has padded feet. Dash is a flightless bird. Kiwi is a flightless bird. A snake has dash to crawl. A snake has scales to crawl. Now answer these questions. What is habitat? What is the habitat of a camel? मीन्स एक हैबिटेट क्या होता है और कैमल का हैबिटेट क्या है. ओके. द प्लेस वेयर एन एनिमल लिव्स इज कॉल्ड इट्स हैबिटेट. द हैबिटेट प्रोवाइड्स एनिमल्स विथ एयर, वाटर, फूड एंड शेल्टर. सो व्हाट इज एन हैबिटेट? द प्लेस वेयर एन एनिमल्स गिव or takes air, water, food and shelter. Okay. For example, water is the habitat of fish, jungle the habitat of lion, and in the case of camel, desert is the habitat of camel. Okay. Now move to the next question. How do insects breathe? Insects breathe through air holes present on their bodies. These holes are called spiracles. So in case of insects, on the body surfaces of insects, some holes are present, and these holes are called as spiracles. And with the help of these holes, insects breathe. Okay. Now move to next question. How do fish move in water? Fish have fins and a powerful tail. Fins help in movement and balancing. The tail helps in changing direction. So fish have fins and a powerful tail, and with the help of these fins, it helps in movement as well as in balancing. And in the tail fins helps in changing the direction. Okay. So when a fish move in water, with the help of fish, it is able to move and balance itself, whereas with the help of tail fins it changes its direction. What is migration? Name to migrating animals. Some animals move from one region to another region due to climatic changes. This seasonal movement is called migration. So what happened? Some animals transfer or move from one place to another places in search of food, shelter, and to protect themselves from their enemies. Okay. So this seasonal movement is called as migration. Are you getting? Now name two migrating animals. The Arctic tern is an example. Makes a migration of over 35,000 km. Okay. The next example is humpback whales migrate from icy water of Antarctica to warm places. So these are the two examples you can give for two migrating animals. What are endangered animals? There are many animals whose population has got considerably reduced. They are in danger of being extinct. मतलब क्या होता है कि कुछ ऐसे एनिमल्स हैं जिनका पॉपुलेशन क्या हो रहा है, दिन पर दिन रिड्यूस हो रहा है, और एक कंडीशन ऐसा आ सकता है कि वो विलुप्त भी हो सकते हैं. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड endangered animals. Such animals are called endangered animals. For example, giant panda, African elephant, blue whale and polar bear. Okay. Next question. Why do animals move from one place to another place? Animals move from one place to another in search of food, water, shelter, and to protect themselves from their enemies. So already I told you that why do animals move from one place to another place? So mainly for the search of food, water, shelter, and to protect themselves from their enemies. Now the next question is recognize me. The first one, I have got tube like a structure on my head. So who am I? I have got tube like a structure on my head, that is mosquito. I have wings but I cannot fly. Ostrich. I migrate a distance of 35,000 km. Who am I? I migrate a distance of 35,000 km. The Arctic tern. I breathe through lungs on land and through skin in water. Answer is frog. Name the following. Two animals which breathe through body surfaces. So we can give two examples, earthworms and frog. And we can also name some other microorganism, okay, which breathe through their body surfaces. Two animals which breathe through gills. Examples are prawns and crabs. Two animals which breathe through lungs. So animals which breathe through lungs are dog, dolphins, or any animals or human beings. Two animals which move on four legs. So we can write any two animals name. We can write cow, horse. Two animals which crawl. Two animals which crawl. We can write lizard, crocodile. You can write examples by yourself also. Okay. Two animals which do not have legs. Two animals which do not have legs. Earthworms and snakes. Two endangered animals. Giant panda, African elephant. Match the columns. Now in option A we have given something and B also. Now we have to match A to B. So first one, migratory bird. Migratory bird, which one? Arctic tern. From 1 to E, that is Arctic tern. Flightless bird. Which is flightless bird? Ostrich. Legless animal. Legless animal? Snake. Flippers. Flippers? Penguin. Endangered animals. Endangered animals? Giant panda. Okay. Now come to the next question. Write true or false. Rat is rodent. That is true. Rabbit and squirrel eat seeds. Yes, it is true. Because rabbit and squirrel eat seeds. A tail fin helps a fish to change the direction. Yes, it is true. Because fins helps in change the direction. The camel has padded feet to walk in sand. Yes, it is true. A camel has padded feet to walk in sand. The cow is an endangered animal. The cow is an endangered animal. That is false. Okay. So hope you understand all the topics regarding exercise 2 of lifestyle. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.